Jump by Vincent K. Louise, illustrated by Vincent Louise. You have to get to the other side without getting tagged. If you get tagged by the tagger, you sit down. If you get tagged by someone tagged by the tagger, you sit down behind them. If you step on the gym line, you sit down too. Do not hit, head, slide, stop, or push. Do not bang.